Mechatronics is a multidisciplinary branch of engineering integrating electronics and mechanics. Among others, it also contains a combination of robotics, telecommunication, information control, computing, and product engineering. Mechatronics aims to produce a design solution that unifies each of these various subfields to create more functional and adaptable products. Students learn about working smarter and not harder during many theoretical and practical lessons. Here we gain knowledge about machining materials, programming, basic electronic components, electrical safety, and much more. One of the ways we learn about different devices and components is by assembling circuits, then examining them, performing tests, and writing a report on our observations. During our practical lessons, we perform exercises in the pneumatics lab by assembling electro-pneumatic systems. We make them based on the diagrams given to us, and sometimes we can even design them ourselves. After their installation, they should be examined and tested. That's how we prepare for our final exams. In a more traditional workshop, we work with raw materials. Here we use simple drills, saws and grinders, but we also get to work on a lathe and a milling machine. Working with such machinery is a huge responsibility. One small mistake can cost a lot. That's why production firms hiring machine operators who want educated workers. After finishing school, students can work in many fields. Most of those jobs can be found in big facilities, where versatility is needed. That's why mechatronics students are highly valued.